Good afternoon, brothers and sisters. And this is about what LiUNA and LiUNA Local 183 is all about, family. And we couldn't express it in any better way than what we see here today. We want to thank you. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts for everything that you do day in and day out, for your commitment, for your loyalty to this great local union. Have a wonderful day, and we look forward to see you here again next year. Thank you, brothers and sisters. Feel the power.